Hello dear friends, welcome to the Techno and YouTube channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. In today's video, I'm introducing a fabulous project, Ape and Pepe. It is driven by the power of the community and is fully prepared for success. There is no end to the top. With the power of Ape and Pepe, we are trying to reach a new normal. You can buy it on Uniswap, follow them on the official Twitter. Also, you can check it out the DexChart tool, join the Telegram group CoinMarketCap listed on CoinMarketCap. How to buy Ape. Install MetaMask from the App Store or Google. Deposit Polygon to that wallet. You can buy it from the exchange or directly from MetaMask. Connect your wallet by accessing the link above or PancakeSwap. Check if the contract address is Ape. Number 4. Enter the amount of BNB to trade with Ape. There is no tax and you can usually set the slippage to 0.01 to 0.10 in the settings. You can see other details right here. Uniswap exchanges by Ape. You can buy it on Uniswap and other exchanges coming soon. You can check it out. Tokenomics right here. We are only meme. Ape, come on Pepe now. Total supply you can check it out. Airdrop 70%, DEX and circulating supply 10%, CEX 10%, reserve 10%. Ape burn address you can check it out. All details. Community. Ape memes are driven only by the power of the community. Depending on the unity of Ape community members, the price may go up endlessly. Don't be fooled by fake meme coins whose price is controlled by the developer. Don't be fooled by fake meme coins whose price is controlled by the developer. Ape allows members to form a community and receive rewards as well as staking. This is the meme Ape that will pioneer the era of real memes. You can check it out. All details. Real Ape. Fucking fake meme. I will knock them all down and rise to the top. You can see all details. Roadmap. Step 1. DEX listing, CoinMarketCap listing, community opening and activation, community airdrop. Step 2, CEX listing. Step 3, number 1, one-tier exchange listing, top of memes. You can see other details, partners, IQ.wiki. You can see the partner IQ.wiki right here, the world's largest blockchain and crypto encyclopedia. Also you can see LGameFi, Tweet, file descriptions, Harmonia, Base, Street Coin, Home, Coin, MetaChain, GemX Crypto. Contact. This token has nothing to do with Pepe, but we love Pepe. Ape does not have value in itself. However, we love Pepe and we only pursue the true value of meme coins. The official team and roadmap are not exactly known. Coins are just for the fun of all of us. You can follow them on the official Twitter, Telegram, you can see Google. Join the Telegram channel right here and join the Telegram group right here, and you can see it is listed on CoinMarketCap. You can see the price chart is increasing and pumping. You can see the price and all details, market cap, and you can check it out other details, Twitter, Telegram, and see this is an amazing project. Also it is listed on Dex tools. You can check it out. Market cap right here, liquidity, circulation, supply, holders, total market cap. You can see other details. An amazing outstanding project. You can check it out. This is really a fantastic project. Also you can buy it on Uniswap. Select token right here like USDT. Simply enter the amount of USDT like 100 USDT and you can easily buy Ape tokens right here. Connect your wallet using MetaMask or any other wallet. Also follow them on the official Twitter right here. Don't be fooled by the big existing meme coin. This lead to the real meme era Ape belief. Ape, all details right here. It is also listed on Bitget right here. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. We will meet with another exciting video. Till then, bye and take care.